In today's video, I will walk you through how to run a trial balance in Xero. Start from your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, look across the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Reporting. Click on Reporting to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains a variety of reporting options that you can access whenever you need to review your financial information. After opening the reporting menu, look for the option called All Reports and click on it. This will take you to a page that displays the complete list of reports available in Xero. If you haven't visited this page before, you'll notice that the reports are organized into different categories to make them easier to find. Once you're on the All Reports page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Taxes and Balances. Continue scrolling until you can clearly see this section. The trial balance report is located here, so this is the area you'll need whenever you want to access it again in the future. When you find the trial balance option, click on it to open the report. Xero will generate the trial balance for you and display the account totals from your chart of accounts for the selected reporting period. This report brings together the balances from your ledger accounts into a single view, making it easy to review the information in one place. Take a moment to look through the report once it has loaded. You can review the balances that are displayed and confirm that the report has opened successfully. If you need to check another reporting period, use the available report options before viewing the results again. Because the trial balance report is available from the reporting section, you can return to it whenever you need to review your account balances. Simply go back to Reporting, select All Reports, scroll to the Taxes and Balances section, and open the trial balance report again. Using the same process each time helps you quickly locate the report without searching through the rest of the reporting menu. Once you become familiar with its location, opening the report only takes a few clicks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.